Could you tell me about your bike setup?
Yeah, so in the front, I have Dura-Ace hubs laced to Araya rims. The frame is Ganwell NJS. Yeah, I didn't have any bottle bosses, so I wanted to put something on. Yeah, it's hot out here, so. And then up front, I have some Nito noodle bars with a Simwork stem. Saddle is a Cell Italia Flight with a Thompson seat post. Then drivetrain, I have some Sagino 75s with a Sagino 75 chainring. Some MKS pedals, forget which model, or the Urban Platform pedals with some Toshi double straps. I put a little Campagnolo tip on there for some added swag. And yeah, in the back I have a Philwood hub laced to another Araya rim. Yeah, and then a SKF bottom bracket, super smooth, all sealed. I like the little bit of red that's on there.